So what I thought I'd do is, I think I should derive this maximum, minimum, and maximum, the maximum steal. I keep talking about it, and I never derive it and get the equations. I have all these maximum equations in spreadsheets and on slides. So you don't really need to watch this, but if you want to see where they come from, here we go. So in I don't have the dates exact, but I think it's about pre-2002, might be 2003. The maximum amount of steel had to be less than or equal to 3/4 of rho balanced. And so I'm going to derive rho balance and take 3/4 of it. So rho balanced was defined as, oops, that's not supposed to be equal. That would be 0.003, and this would be Fy over E, which is the strain at yield. And so this is C, and this is D. And we're going to do this little trick over and over. I'm going to just show you once. You look at that triangle versus this triangle. And so C is to D, as the orange triangle has a base of 3, and the green triangle has a base of 3 plus Fy over E. Okay. And it's super convenient just to multiply numerator and denominator by E, and 0.003 times 29,000, I'm going to do it in KSI, is 87. Okay. 87 plus Fy in KSI. Okay, that's C by D. And then once you have that ratio, okay, you get, and then you solve for C. C is 87 over 87 plus Fy D. You then just do statics. And so in the beam, we'd have the Whitney stress block here, where that distance is A, and the stress is 0.85 F prime C. And this, of course, is yielded because we're at yield. And so you have C, and you have the tension force, T, Fy, and we're putting in the balanced amount of steel. This is the perfect amount of steel to make that neutral axis be exactly 87 over 87 plus Fy D. The compressive force is 0.85 F prime C, B times A, and A is just beta 1 times C. We've gone over the Whitney stress block before. Beta 1, and C, with the magic of my iPad, I'm just going to copy that, paste it in here. That was C, right? Okay, and so all we're going to do is do T equals C, and again, I'm going to just cheat and not rewrite it. I'm going to copy that, paste it here, equals T equals C. So where are we? That's C. Copy that, paste it here. And all we're going to do is solve for ASB. And again, I'm going to cheat and just use cut and paste. So all of that divided by Fy. And so rho balanced, you got to divide by BD. So divide by BD, divide by BD. Okay, so you get 0.85 F prime, let me do that again. 0.85 F prime C over Fy beta 1 87 over 87 plus Fy in KSI. And finally, Rho max is 3/4 Rho balance. And again, I'm gonna just cheat. And there you go. Okay, so that is Rho max pre-2003, 2002. So now, let me add another page and we'll do pre-2014. Where are we? We're right here. Add a page. And we're going to need another page. I'll also do it while we're at it. We're going to need one for post-2013. Okay. So, make that go away. So, 2003 to about 2014, what they did was they said Rho max happens when this strain is 005. And using that same trick of similar triangles, it's now 3 to 8, right? So C equals 3/8 D. And we're still going to do T equals C. So FYAS max equals 0.85 F prime C B times A. And A is just beta 1 C. So FYAS max equals 0.85 F prime C B times beta 1 C, which is 3/8 D. Divide by BD. And divide by Fy. Okay. And you get Rho max equals 0.85 F prime C over Fy, beta 1, 3/8. There you go. And to make it nicer, you put the 3/8 in front, but that's it. Okay, so for post 2014, and I think I can do this all on this page. So I'm going to be lazy. I'm just going to copy this whole proof. There we go. Copy that. I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to show you what changed. So the only thing that changed is that got changed to 0.003 plus Fy over E, the yield strain. Okay, so that means that instead of 8 is 3 plus Fy over E. Oh, it's 3 plus Fy over E times 1,000. I had multiplied the numerator and denominator by 1,000 because I didn't want to write 0.003 over 0.008. Okay, and so maybe that was not the best idea. What it really is 0.003 over 0.003 plus Fy over E. That's really what it is. Okay, times D. Okay, so what we have to do is everywhere we see 3/8 D, the 3/8 needs to get replaced with 0.003 over 0.003 plus Fy over E. And what that comes out to is Rho Max equals 0.85 F prime C over Fy beta 1. Okay, and I just don't like writing all those zeros. So 29,000 times 0.003 is 87 KSI. And there you go. So that's Rho Max post 2014. And if Fy is 60, this fraction comes out approximately to 3/8 anyway, so it's the same thing. What's handy about the 2014, it can handle 40 KSI and 50 KSI. And if that was too fast, what it is 60 over 29,000, that's 0.00207 or 0.002. And so that comes out to oh, there's a mistake. I'm going too fast. There's an extra 0.003 in here, right? So I'm just going too fast. So C divided by D, that's the numerator. And this base down here is 0.003 plus Fy over E plus 0.003. So, I am sorry. So let me, I don't want to redo the video, so I'm just going to fix this right now. So that's 0. Sorry. 0.003, 0.006 plus Fy over E. And so that's it. And then finally, if it bugs you to have all those 003s like it bugs me, this is what happens when you're being lazy like I am. 85 F prime C, Fy beta 1. Okay, so 003 times 29,000 is 87. 006 times 29,000 is 14, 174 plus Fy and KSI. Okay, and so what I'm saying is that this thing here, when Fy is 60, that's about 3/8, the same as before. Okay, so I'm hoping lots of you didn't watch this video because you didn't want to see the proofs, but if you wanted to see the proofs, there they are. And what I've done is I've made a series of spreadsheets that have this equation, that equation right here, this one, and as well as this one. And if you notice, in all of these equations, Rho Max is a function of Fy, F prime C, and beta 1. But beta 1 is a function of F prime C. So if you know F prime C and Fy, you can immediately calculate Rho Max. You can also calculate Rho Min. So all you really need to know is what concrete and what steel you have, and you can already immediately set your Rho Max and your Rho Min. Okay, sorry for muddling through that. We're done with that. And then the next video will be on other flexure requirements in the ACI code.